Hey there, moms-to-be. I'm here to share some important tips on what to eat when breastfeeding. Remember, nutrition is crucial for both you and your little one. First and foremost, make sure to eat a balanced diet. This includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Aim for a variety of colors on your plate to ensure you're getting all the essential vitamins and minerals. When it comes to dairy, it's important to choose low-fat options and avoid processed cheeses. Dairy can be a great source of calcium, which is important for both you and your baby. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and if you're feeling thirsty, it's a sign that you're already dehydrated. Lastly, remember to take care of yourself. Eating well and staying hydrated can help you maintain your energy levels and overall health. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope these tips help you on your breastfeeding journey. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more great content. Take care.